What's up, guys? Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be filming a really fun unboxing video of this beautiful 15-inch 2019 Macbook Pro Space Gray. I don't know anything else about it. But yeah, let's just get right on into it. This is literally probably the most satisfying thing in the world. I don't know why, but like that first cut into that perfect. Oh, ASMR. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so exciting. Just do a close up. So I know you're all here to know what comes in the box. So we have a wire. This is the most, like, this doesn't matter, that doesn't matter, this matters, okay? So we have the instruction manual right here. Okay, we have the screen, you know how to use a computer, really, really awesome. This is, I am putting this on my wall, like, really, like, wow. Okay, on to the, you know, less important part. The noise. This is so scary without the keys. This is how thin it is. We have a little circle port into the mini ports, and then on this side we have two more of the little tiny things. Do what? There you go.
Open it.
Oh. Can't find my channel. I know this was a very short video, but I just wanted to put it on my channel because I thought it was fun. If you liked it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every single time I post. Leave a like and a comment, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and all of the rest of my social media will be in the description below. Bye.